Do you need to flip or rotate your videos in the Instagram Edits app, but you're not sure how to do it? Whether your video looks backward, upside down, or just needs a quick fix, then just follow my steps. Let's open the Instagram Edits application on our device, and then create a new project by tapping on the little plus option at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open our photo gallery, where I'll import a simple video as an example. Here's the video, and the first thing which I'm going to show you is how to flip it. I'll tap on the video to select it, then scroll through these options at the bottom until you find an option that's called Mirror. This is the option which we want to tap, and this will flip the video from the left to right, and vice versa. The second thing is to rotate our video. I haven't found the Rotate button in the toolbar just yet, but in order for you to rotate the video, just place 2 fingers over the video and then rotate your fingers at the left or right side, and your video will rotate as well. Maybe they'll add a Rotate button in the future, or if you had found the button, please tell me where it is in the comments down below. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.